Do you like snow?
Yes, I love it.
Do you like snow?
Yes, I love it.
What did you buy?
I bought some fruits.
What did you buy?
I bought some fruits. Is she your sister?
Yes, she is my sister.
Is she your sister?
Yes, she is my sister. Who is she?
She is my grandma.
Who is she?
She is my grandma.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family.
Do you live alone?
No, I live with my family. Who is he?
He is my best friend.
Who is he?
He is my best friend. Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat.
What happened?
I am sick.
What happened?
I am sick.
Do you like swimming?
Yes, I like swimming.
Do you like swimming?
Yes, I like swimming.
What is it?
It is salad.
What is it?
It is salad.
What is your favorite food?
I love rice.
What is your favorite food?
I love rice. Who am I? You are my teacher. Who am I? You are my teacher.
Where are you going?
We are going to school.
Where are you going?
We are going to school.